Welcome to Instagram services and welcome to the Iron Tech as well. We are here on Park Social Panel, which is the best website to grow your social media accounts. If you are interested to grow your Instagram live stream views or anything related to the live stream, you will come here, select the category, then order services. There are 406, 407, 409, and 408 services. We will discuss all these things with the passage of time. Instagram live views, also likes as well. Views plus likes, you can say 15 minutes live streaming. Starting time of all services is instant. You can see the price of 1000 quantity $2.12. If we see the minimum amount of the first services, that is the 50, then 407, it will stay for 30 minutes, and price is $4.25, but the minimum amount is 50, same like the previous one. Then there is 409 service. It will also bring views plus likes, 90 minutes streaming, and price is $5.24 for 1000 quantity. But here minimum amount is a 10, minimum 10 amount you can give the order. In 408, the Instagram live stream views plus live 60 minutes streaming will stay. Starting time is very instant, abruptly, and for 1000 quantity it is $8.47, and minimum amount it's 50 rather than 10. So you can place your order here, place the link of your live stream, and put the quantity. Automatically total charge will be selected. Yes, I have confirmed, and then you will place the order. So you can see the different prices of different services, but you can add from your own mind and earn money online by reselling it. So see you in next video. Goodbye.